How is it going everybody, Mr. Android here. Welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. Today I will be showing you 5 amazing Android apps that you should definitely download for the month of November. As always, I will be giving away some promo codes in this video, so stay tuned and watch it till the very end. Also, let's aim for 1500 likes on this one. So drop a like, leave a comment and let's get started. Alright guys, first off we have an application which goes by the name called Ivy Wallet. This is basically a personal finance and spending tracking app which helps you to manage your money. I know there are plenty expense management apps, but I really wanted to try something simple. Basically, you just need to add your income or how much money is coming in and how many expenses are going out. That's it. All your transaction will be in one place. Unlike most other money tracking apps, this app comes with a very simple and clean interface where you can neatly organize all your expenses in a beautiful card style layout. There are some categories for money that's coming in and many categories for money that is going out. Also, you can easily add new categories and start tracking your expenses. You can choose from different global currencies and you can add multiple accounts as well. Apart from this, there is also an option to import or export the data, and the best part is it doesn't force you to register or sign up. You can easily work offline. The app is completely free to download, and there is also a premium version which lets you add multiple accounts, categories, and even you can set multiple budgets as well. All in all, it's a very good spending tracking app and I will highly recommend you to give this one a try. Next up we have an app called Unplug. Unplug is a new innovative app that helps you to reduce your phone usage so you can focus on things that actually matters. Now, unlike other apps that are available, it blocks distracting apps of your choice, and then to access your distracting apps, you have to cross a distraction barrier that includes shaking your phone for 5 seconds or tapping 7 buttons. This additional barrier helps you to make the decision whether you still want to use that app or not. There are 2 different barriers that you can choose in the free version, and you can also change the difficulty to make accessing your apps harder or easier depending on your preference. The app is simple to use, where you just need to select the distraction barrier and then choose all the distraction applications that you have on your phone. Once you are done, now whenever you want to use that particular app, you need to shake your phone for 5 seconds or tap 7 buttons. The app is currently in the beta stage and it is totally free to download. But they do have the premium version which will give access to even more tools and customizations that will help you to reduce your screen time and improves your productivity. The developer was kind enough to provide me with a unique promo code that you can use and get 3 months of free trial for premium subscription. Make sure you check it out. Alright guys, next up we have Wallpaper app for this month, which is Volcanic Wallpapers. This app provides you various kind of unique and exclusive wallpapers that you will not find anywhere else. All these wallpapers that you see here are high quality beautiful wallpapers, and there are more than 15 categories of different wallpapers that you can choose from. I also like the UI of this app. It is very smooth with some beautiful animations, and if you like any of this wallpaper, simply tap on it. You get an option either to download or set it directly on your home screen. The app is paid and it's also a brand new application, but thanks to the developer, I was able to get 30 promo codes. To win one, all you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment on this video, and send me a DM on Instagram asking for a promo code. It's a first come first serve basis. Now coming back to the application, the app is filled with some amazing collection of wallpapers and the developer is super active, so you can expect new walls every week. At number 4, we have an app called Lock Screen Calendar. As the name indicates, this app basically replaces your lock screen with an agenda based calendar. It allows you to quickly check all your to-do lists and schedules you have coming up directly from your lock screen itself. The best part is, it also allows you to create a new task directly from the lock screen. The app also provides you with some minor customizations that will help you to change the look altogether. Overall, I think it's a very useful app, and if you really like to manage all your schedules in the form of calendar, then definitely try this one out. Finally, we got a very cool application called Linker. This basically helps you to organize all your links in a simple way. Well, if you're a person who likes to save a lot of links on your phone, then this is an app that you should definitely download. All you need to do is copy the link, whether it's a YouTube video or a link of your favorite website, then open the application, and here you can save the link by giving it a name or a title. The UI is absolutely gorgeous, and anytime you want to open a link, you just need to click on it. I think it's a very useful application that helps you to organize all your links in one place. Definitely try it out. So that's pretty much it guys. These are some amazing applications that you should definitely download for the month of November. If you really want to win a promo code, then please do follow all the instructions that I have already provided in this video. If you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'm Mr. Android and I will see you guys in the next one.